Chettinad in Tamil Nadu is famous, rich culture, outstanding architecture, beautiful palaces, and of course, nobody can miss the Chettinad cuisine. The other thing, of course, which Chettinad is famous for, which lots of people don't know about, is their outstanding saris. Chettinad cotton saris are the pride of Chettinad. Hello, Avishya fans and handloom sari lovers. Welcome to the Avishya's YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you an exclusive collection of handloom Chettinad cotton saris. These saris come in bright colors with popping contrast and are very comfortable to wear. They're very intricate. A lot of the rich designs you find in the architecture, the palaces, and the temples of Chettinad. If you're following these videos and you like our channel and you're regularly watching the videos, I request you to like this video, follow our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell button, because if you click on the bell button, you won't miss any new drops from Avishya. Today's curation of Chettinad cotton sarees is a check collection. There's lots of misconception that Chettinad is normally only checks, but that's not the case. But today I put together a lovely collection of check sarees. The first design I'm going to show you, this is a beautiful one. This is classic Chettinad cotton. It's very bright and colorful. The saree is coming in 3 colors. There's a nice violet, 2 colors in the border, almost a mustard yellow and a cream. And the border is a beautiful teal. Then there's a turmeric yellow with green and blue. And then of course this is beautiful sapphire blue with a nice violet border. And again, mustard yellow and cream. So let me open up the saree. So this is a very, very stylish saree. Look at the color combination. It's beautiful. It's just lovely violet. Teal border sets it off beautifully. The border has lovely rudraksham and flower motifs and a set of diamonds and beautiful temples in alternate colors. The same temples also come inverse in the body. So there's 1 row of cream temples and 1 row of mustard yellow temples, all set within checks. The pallu is the same color palette and it's got these broad yellow stripes to set it off. So it's very, very simple, minimal and beautiful, and they're very budget friendly also. Now most Chettinad cotton sarees come without a blouse, but if you really want a perfect coordination, you can also wear it with this border color, the steel blue blouse. If you're buying the saree from Avishya, we also have a lovely collection of nice comfortable slub cotton solid style blouses. So if you're buying the saree, you can buy the blouse along with it, so it'll come to you ready to wear. This is a grander version. This has got small checks across the. It's also more formal, and it's got a nice bold zari border. This again, there are 2 colors. So I think I'll show you this one. It's a lovely moss create saree with almost a maroon border and it's a beautiful zari border. So let's open this out. Oh, look at the zari border here. It's so intricate. There's a row of paisleys on the top and bottom. There's a center band of diamonds. Then 1 more row of leaves and beautiful temples. And the checks itself are 2 colors. The maroon runs on the horizontal and the yellow which runs on the vertical checks. It's got a nice bold yellow stripes. So the stripes look very simple but very, very majestic, for want of a better word. And the blouse is a running blouse. This is one of those few sarees which comes with the blouse. I'm showing you a few of the check Chettinad sarees in our collection. If you want to see the entire collection and you're living in Chennai, please visit the Avishya store. We're located at 281 TTK Road in Alwarpet in Chennai. We're open all 7 days of the week, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. So you can come to the store, check out the entire collection, drape, see what looks good on you and buy. If you're not living in Chennai and you're living anywhere in India or across the world, we ship to close to 40 countries. You can visit our website avishya.com and look at our collection of Chettinad cotton sarees. You'll find this and the entire collection online. And any questions you have on the color, on when it will reach you, our customer service team will be happy to help you. If you're in India, we also do cash on delivery, so you can buy this on cash on delivery. If you don't want to visit the website at all and just want to buy on WhatsApp, our WhatsApp number is 73057 77291. I'll repeat it, 73057 77291. So you can just take a screenshot of the saree and send it on WhatsApp, and our customer service team will be happy to help you buy. The next design is also a classic Chettinad design, but this is simpler than the first one I showed you because this got 2 colors. This again, we have 3 colors. We have a lovely navy blue with a mustard yellow border, with a deeper mustard border. Then we have a nice dark slough brown with a yellow border, and then this is a bright turmeric yellow. The checks are also very different. It's a combination of large checks and small checks, and inside the checks you have these booties that are circular. They're actually like concentric circles. There's a little bit of yellow in the center and there's a round around, and then lovely temples on either side. The temples again have dots. So the green part of the temple has yellow dots and the yellow part of the temple has green dots. There's a band of green below with an interesting popping pink leaf bottom. Beautiful green pattern continues to the pallu. It's a very summery, very bright saree. So if you wear it during the summer, you look bright and cannot be missed. So this sort of moss green blouse will make it look very subtle. If you want a bright popping look, you can of course wear it with the emerald green blouse, but then both the sari and the blouse will be bright, so the look will be very, very bright. The next sari I'm going to show you, this is again zari checks, slightly different, but they're all part of one group. This has got striped checks, buttas in the center, and then if you look at it, there's a band of zari on the top. This one's just got threadwork below, and the other one's got a small band of zari, like this retapettu border or two-row border as we call it in Tamil Nadu. So I'll open the biscuit brown because it's a beautiful pastel color. So this is a lovely biscuit brown sari with a nice green border. Look at the border. It is a lovely temple and there are two paisleys, and then there's this big wheel which almost looks like a chariot wheel. So they are alternating in zari. Above there's a band of small, almost like a floral band, and that is a nice bright emerald green, and below is a coffee brown band. This emerald green continues as buttas throughout the sari, and then the pallu again I guess will be similar. That's a lovely pallu. Look at this. So the same emerald green. So it's nice because the biscuit brown is a very subtle subdued color. So the emerald green gives nice pops of brightness in between this beautiful biscuit brown. Again, you can pair this with a lovely emerald green blouse, and the sari will look stunning. Now this is one more sari. We just have one piece of this, but it's a stunner. The border is a threadwork border, so it's a nice popping parrot green body, and it's got checks and a maroon border. It's not even a full maroon. This is sort of a maroon and brown combined, so it's a very subtle color. Now again, this sari is one of those combinations where the weavers actually have thought a lot about design, because parrot green is a nice bright color, so this border contrasted beautifully. The border's got a row of diamonds, then it's got two rows of rudraksham and leaves. And look at the checks itself. The horizontal lines are orange and the vertical lines are maroon. So really this color is a combination of both of them. Now let's look at the pallu. Here it is, lovely. The minimal pallu again. There are only the orange stripes are going across in the horizontal band, and nice these maroon stripes vertical bands are coming in. It's a beautiful sari, but overall the look is very subtle. This sari, if you want to contrast it with a blouse, if you want a subtle look, you can wear this red. But really, because the overall look is very subdued, you want a nice bright blouse, a rani pink blouse will look lovely with this sari. So this is the last set of saris I'm going to show you in this collection. They are not exactly the same, but I mean Avisha saris are handloom, so they are never exactly the same. They're similar. Look at this one. It's got a temple border and it's got a sort of floral booty. This has got a temple border and got a paisley booty. This on the other hand has got a paisley border and got a floral booty. So let's see this one, the paisley one, how it looks. This is a lovely sort of nice navy blue sari with a mustard yellow border. The border has beautiful paisleys on both sides, and if you look at the paisley, there's a larger yellow paisley. There's a small sort of teardrop kind of thing in the center, and the blue comes over in between. And the blue has bits of yellow. The yellow has bits of blue, almost like a yin yang design. The checks are like, again, very, very beautiful. It's not a simple check. There are three rows which are intersecting into a group of smaller checks and one bold check in between. And then, of course, there are these floral booties inside the larger checks. The pallu is lovely. It's again these nice blue and mustard yellow checks along with the booties. It's a beautiful pallu. And this sari again will look lovely with a mustard yellow blouse. Some of the saris in our latest collection of Chettinad cotton saris. Like I said, if you want to see the entire collection, please visit our store in Chennai or check out our website avisha.com, or you can ask for more details of the saris on our WhatsApp itself. Our WhatsApp number is 73057 77291. If you like all our videos and you've seen this video and you're following our videos, please like the video, follow our channel, and please press the bell button so you won't miss any new uploads from Avisha. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you again soon.